Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how we can generate PowerPoint slides with Chatgpt with a single prompt. At first, our developer mode should be enabled. If it's not, then follow these steps. First, double tap on Files tab, then select Options. Then select Customize Ribbon option. Then search for developer mode and enable it, as it is already enabled in my case. So now the developer mode will appear in the ribbon. Now we have to double click on developer mode. Then select Visual Basic, then select Insert and add a module. Now this is a place where we will write our VBA code, which we will generate from Chatgpt. Let's generate a VBA code from Chat to generate 5 slides on topic Artificial Intelligence. Now we will copy-paste our code in our VBA code section. Now run the code. Here is our slides generated with Chatgpt. Note, if you want to add picture in your slides, then you need to give the path to your image in code. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe our video.